Come test drive the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, LED headlights, brake assist. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.